Breaking news on the coronavirus here in the Ocean State. The Department of Health has announced 21 more Rhode Islanders have now died after contracting COVID-19.
The health department also said the number of new positive cases confirmed in the last 24 hours was the smallest in nearly a month.
The additional fatalities bring Rhode Island's coronavirus death toll to 341 since March 28th. The 45 deaths reported yesterday and today combined is the largest tally in any two-day span since the crisis began.
There are currently 339 people hospitalized. The number of patients in the ICU is 84. 61 people are on a ventilator.
And there was just 175 new cases reported today. That's the smallest in any single day since April 7th.
The total number of tests was also down over the weekend, possibly due to the nice weather. However, the share of each day's tests that come back positive fell to 8% today, the third straight day of decline.
And Governor Gina Raimondo says she thinks these numbers tell a good story and that she hopes to lift the stay-at-home order when it expires on May 8th. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian is at the State House with what this could all mean for businesses. Hi, Kim.
Hi, Mike. Hi, Shannon. After today's press briefing, the governor spoke with reporters on a conference call, and it was there that she told us that she will announce on Thursday whether or not she will lift the stay-at-home order this weekend. And that will launch us into phase one of reopening. So what does that look like? She says during phase one, non-critical retailers can once again open to a limited number of customers as long as they continue to abide by social distancing, and both employees and customers wear those cloth face coverings. How soon can this happen? Well, again, the governor says she's hopeful this weekend.
As I stand here today, looking at all the data, looking at hospitalizations, checking in this morning with hospitals, it is my hope and intention to lift the stay-at-home order when it expires on May 8th. A number of you have commented to me that that is sooner than Massachusetts, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, and our neighbors. And that's true. But I wouldn't do it if I didn't think we were ready. On the call we just got off of with public health experts and other governors in the White House, it's clear that each governor has to look at the situation in our states. And right now in Rhode Island, we're testing the most number of people per capita. Our cases are going in the right direction. Our hospitalizations are plateaued. And I feel if we stay on this path, it will be safe under new conditions to begin a slow process of reopening on May 9th.
So you might be wondering about restaurants. The governor says indoor dining will not be allowed in phase one, but some outdoor dining could begin to happen towards the end of this phase. What about office workers? She says if you can continue to telecommute, you should do so, but you can pop into the office during phase one, but employers should screen their employees for any symptoms of COVID-19 and keep them spaced far apart while they are at work. She expects this first phase to last about 14 days. Live at the State House, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News. Well, these could be the final few days of the stay-at-home order here in Rhode Island, but what will life look like after May 9th? The governor says it won't and shouldn't look too different from what it looks like right now. And she says as of this past weekend, people were doing a pretty good job following the rules.
Over the weekend, the Department of Business Regulation inspected on over 300 businesses. So in unannounced visits to over 300 businesses all across Rhode Island, they reported a 95% compliance rate of customers wearing masks. And they reported nearly 100% compliance with people staying 6 feet apart, especially when they were waiting outside to get into the store. That's fantastic. If, as we go forward in reopening our economy, we continue to see that kind of compliance, everyone's wearing their mask, sick people are staying home, everyone is staying 6 feet apart, then we're going to get this economy up and running, and you can feel safe to go out again because folks will be doing what's necessary to keep you safe.
And because of all of that compliance, the governor is planning to lift the stay-at-home order this weekend, launching us into the phase 1 of reopening. So what will that look like? She says non-critical retailers can once again reopen to a limited number of customers, and eventually restaurants will be able to have outdoor dining, though indoor dining will still not be permitted. And sadly, visitation to nursing homes and assisted living facilities will not be allowed in phase 1. At the State House, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.